in some new law regarding how divorce lawyers in Colorado look at temporary maintenance. So can you tell us about some of those new developments in Colorado law?
Yeah, I can. So one of the cases is called Marriage of Harold and Calishan, and I don't know, do you want me to tell you the case site
Yeah.
or no? So it's 484 P third 782. It came out in 2021. And it's a case about should a court award retroactive temporary maintenance. So, you know, these people had, I guess, been fighting for a year already when they got to their temporary orders hearing, God forbid. And at that point, the court awarded wife $12,000 per month in temporary maintenance retroactive to the date of filing. So that's $144,000 in retroactive maintenance. And what was, I thought, unusual about the case is that the parties were actually living together after the petition was filed. The husband was paying the mortgage, he was paying the utilities, he was paying the shared expenses. And the wife still got retroactive temporary maintenance. So I don't know if you want me to opine on that, but the upshot of the case was that, that one of the holdings was really concerning findings, and the findings that the court has to make for the maintenance, because many of the recent cases have just harped on the fact that there are specific findings courts need to make in different situations. So the court needs to make one set of findings for temporary maintenance, one set of findings for permanent maintenance, another set of findings for modification of maintenance. And when the parties fail to present evidence about findings, then the case is remanded, which really is somewhat tragic for the parties, right? Because you've already gone through your divorce, and this was obviously a very long one if temporary orders were a year out.
Right.
And then you've gone through, permanent orders, and then you've gone up to the Court of Appeals, which generally takes about a year or more to get a ruling. And then it's going to be remanded to the district court. So this is really, these are the divorces that never end. And I think that's something that practitioners for sure need to be focused on, is what are the findings that need to be made. In my opinion, that statute is so repetitive. You have to make the same findings over and over. I mean, that's a change I would make if I had the druthers or the choices to be to the legislature for a day.